Tired of thinking of new recipe for our summer vegetables? Let me share you one. To start with our recipe, get one eggplant and cut it into cubes. Take any eggplant available in your garden or in the market. After cutting, put it in a bowl and add a tablespoon of white vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. Salting can help the eggplant absorb less oil, and soaking with vinegar prevent from discoloration. Now remove the liquid form and soak in water for 5 minutes. Let's prepare our liquid mixture with balsamico vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper, and brown sugar. Don't forget to mix it well and set it aside. Now let's slice tomato and onion in an elongated way. Have a spring onion and cut. Spring onions are not only taste good but also extremely healthy for the body. Now let's take the eggplant and drain. In a bowl, add cornstarch and mix it well. In a frying pan with a medium heat, put the eggplant and let it fry for 5 to 8 minutes until lightly brown. In a bowl together with the other vegetables, add the eggplant and our liquid mixture ingredients. It's done, our summer vegetable salad. And since we call it summer vegetables, perfect side dish with grilled pork or fish. At the end of the video, please don't forget to subscribe to be able to notify for the next recipe.